In this video, I want to show you how to easily crop a folder or a selection of images into squares to order square minis from H&H Color Lab. We will also use the export presets that you can download from the H&H website, and in a previous video I show you how to load those. To crop all of our images, we can select all of them, come into our Develop module, to our Crop tool, and change our crop to a 1x1. We'll press Sync. We'll make sure that we're only syncing the cropped section. Press Synchronize. And then I'll come back and select each individual image and apply my crop to it very quickly and easily. Once we have all our images selected, we'll right-click, come to Export, and then Export again. Choose our Square Mini Export preset, which is going to save these in the same folder as the original into a subfolder called Square Minis. I'm not going to rename the files. I'm going to set my files so they're saved out as a JPEG in sRGB at 100 quality. I'm going to resize my images to the short edge at 2 inches at 300 pixels an inch. And then I am not going to do sharpening here, and I'm also just going to choose to include all metadata. I'm going to choose Export. You can see that export has happened very quickly. Now, if we go into the folder where our images are, we'll see there's a new folder called Square Mini. And these files have all been sized down so that we can order a set of square minis very easily in hhstudio. Once I've exported my square minis, it's very easy to reset my crop. Start by once again selecting all your images, come into the Develop module, go to the Crop tool, change the aspect ratio back to original, synchronize those settings, again making sure the crop is the only one selected. And all of your crops have been reset across that whole selection of images.